Hello and welcome to our list of the 5 newest cruise ships. These vessels are some of the most innovative and impressive floating cities in the world, offering a wide range of amenities and experiences for travelers of all ages. First off, we have the Carnival Celebration. This ship was launched in 2022 and is the newest vessel in the Carnival Cruise Line fleet. The Celebration features a wide range of amenities, including a water park, a rock climbing wall, and an IMAX theater. There are also multiple dining options, including a seafood shack and a craft beer bar. Next on our list is the MSC Virtuosa. This impressive ship was launched in 2021 and is the largest vessel in the MSC Cruises fleet, measuring over 200,000 gross tons. The Virtuosa boasts a wide range of dining options, including a seafood market, a Brazilian steakhouse, and a gelato bar. There's also a water park, a ropes course, and a virtual reality experience for passengers to enjoy. Third on our list is the Celebrity Apex. This ship was launched in 2020 and is the second vessel in the Celebrity Edge class. The Apex features a unique design with a magic carpet that can be lowered to different decks, allowing passengers to enjoy views from different angles. The ship also has a rooftop garden, a spa, and a variety of dining options, including a sushi bar and a steakhouse. Fourth on our list is the Norwegian Encore. This ship was launched in 2019 and is the fourth and final vessel in the Breakaway Plus class. The Encore boasts a wide range of amenities, including a water park, a go-kart track, and a virtual reality experience. There are also multiple dining options, including a seafood restaurant and a Tex-Mex grill. Last but not least, we have the Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. This ship was launched in 2018 and is currently the largest cruise ship in the world, measuring over 228,000 gross tons. The Symphony of the Seas has a wide range of amenities, including a water park, a rock climbing wall, and an IMAX theater. There are also multiple dining options, including a seafood market and a Brazilian steakhouse. So there you have it, the 5 newest cruise ships in the world. These impressive vessels offer a wide range of amenities and experiences for travelers, making them the perfect choice for a luxury vacation at sea. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the newest ships in the cruise industry.